Welcome to our Easter holiday spring tablescape design. This year I went with the purity of a white and blue color scheme. I was inspired by an image that I had seen with these hanging eggs, and I already had this beautiful vase, so I got these twinkling fairy lights. And years before I had done the blown out eggs for me, Leanne, Duchess, Bill, my mother and father, so I was able to reuse them. I keep them all year round on display. Then these très elegant bunny does and their little kits with their glamorous feather boas, beautiful Eastern European egg designs. And then this piece de resistance. I love exotic birds, and one of my favorite cousins made this. I'll detail it on the blog, but you can see the peacocks there, and so they really amplify the Lenox by Marchesa blue and white dishes. Had a lot of the bunny and rabbit accessories that I had initially gotten for the Year of the Rabbit for the February tablescape and repurposed them here. So the whole tablescape, added by the Easter candy, is really inspired by nature and then infused with lots of magic and dreams. So I hope you enjoy beautiful spring holiday. So glamorous.